Yes, I do have a construction background. Yes, I've been building for 25 years, and I finally found out what my purpose in the construction is. And I realised one day I would like to get off the tools, and this boot camp that I subscribe to has actually it's given me a goal, a step forward to realising a process to reaching that. I wanted to go on and trial the beyond the software, because I actually am an owner of the software. I wanted to try and learn more in depth about how I could roll that out into my company, and part of that was to learn the CAD architectural design so I can do a design build. I was hoping to achieve at the end of the course not just the certificate, but just more knowledge about how the actual software works and how I could implement them changes. It has benefited me, yes, and it's benefited my company. They're seeing the changes almost overnight. We've had clients phone up, and obviously they're interested in getting architectural drawings. So as a designer now, I feel very confident in using PlansXpress as the forefront of our actual company, and it's given us a sense of purpose to push forward and strive and do better. Following on from the course, I'm using PlansXpress daily. So we're now we've got that obviously on our website. We've made a brochure. We're advertising that we are design builders. We've also got the flexibility of, when we're engaging with clients, that we can use even an architect's drawing that they've already purchased. We can get the file, which is called a DWG file, and we're able to trace these elements back into PlansXpress, which is one of the biggest advantages for us, as we're able to estimate from a set of drawings. So this again is having that product has benefited us. We covered estimating only briefly, but there are estimating boot camps as well I've heard of. Yes, definitely, yeah. Straight after the course finished, boot camp for the CAD architectural design, there seemed to be a flurry of new investigations, and that was partly because we'd updated our website, and clients were very much so interested in getting their drawings done professionally, but also being able to get that estimation out there very quickly. Tutors were excellent. One in particular, Thomas Brooks. He's an amazing teacher. Really helpful. He knows his stuff inside out, and gave us a lot of time to catch up. That was one of the things that I probably found hardest, was balancing the workflow to the actual coursework. But I think with someone such as Thomas, he was giving us so much time to catch up. I was able to watch the videos and all the playbacks for me, because I was very busy during the day, but I couldn't meet all of the coursework on time. But over the weekends I was catching up, and then I was going back on the courses the following week. So yeah, I think the actual teaching was spot on. I did feel very well supported. There's other members in the team that I've not mentioned, but yeah, they were at the top of the line. Was able to give them a phone call or a text to say if we can catch up, or particular dates that we're going to be busy or as an overlap. But yeah, very well supported. I wouldn't say so much to many barriers. I think that it was only purely my timing. I think if that was a hurdle that I had to get over, that was something that I had to do personally to try and balance that work time ethics of saying this is going to be during my work slot, getting the team organised prior to the actual course starting at a particular time, say 10 o'clock in the morning. So I knew I had to block out a couple of hours where I just needed me and the laptop and the tutor time. Very much so, yeah. I believe that there was adequate time, a 2-hour slot to do the training, and then obviously there was homework, so there was a further 2 hours or so per week. But yeah, we was able to balance that quite well. Being taught online for the first time, that was. Yeah, no, I found that very interactive. Modules that I particularly enjoyed was possibly the extensions, learning, because obviously I do a lot of extensions in the real world, so learning those processes and adding those little elements and finding out what tools are inside PlansXpress to what they actually do. I do view it all completely differently. I'm no longer sort of nervous or tentative about opening up PlansXpress and going, oh, this is something I'm lost inside. I think I've now slowly mastered what PlansXpress means to me, and opening that icon is now, it's like I've got the power in my hands to be able to actually do something, and realizing that this is a tool for the future for builders such as ourselves. If you want your company to grow, I think you need to understand that going on a course that is basically the core value of your business, if you're using PlansXpress and Estimator Express as such, you need to know these elements like the back of your hand. It's imperative, and I think that has really given me the foresight to seeing where my company's going to go by using PlansXpress, definitely.